Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something super important for all iPhone users: verifying your email address for your Apple ID. Especially in 2025, with Apple's latest security updates, keeping your account secure is more crucial than ever. If you've ever wondered why your Apple ID might be acting up or how to ensure everything's linked correctly, this quick guide is for you. It's straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it in under a minute. First things first, grab your iPhone and unlock it. Open the Settings app. It's that gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, look for your name at the very top. That's your Apple ID profile. Tap on it, and you'll see a bunch of options related to your account. Now, scroll down a bit until you find the section that says Email and Phone Numbers or something similar. Apple might tweak the interface slightly in 2025, but it should be intuitive. Here, you'll see your primary email address listed. If it shows as not verified, don't panic. Just tap on it, and you'll get a prompt to verify. Apple will send a verification code to that email address. Check your inbox, grab the code, and enter it right there on your iPhone. Once you've entered the code, hit Verify, and voila, your email is now confirmed. If you don't see the email right away, make sure to check your spam folder or wait a few minutes. This step helps protect your account from unauthorized access and ensures smooth app downloads and iCloud syncing. And that's it, you've just secured your Apple ID. If you run into any issues, Apple support is always there to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more handy tips. See you in the next video.